Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. In continuation of lecture UV visible spectroscopy, in lecture 5, it is for lambda max calculation of alpha, beta unsaturated ketones and aldehydes. Here again, these values are given. For acyclic ketone, it is 215. Base value for 6-membered ring ketone, again it is 215 nanometer. Base value for 5-membered ring ketone, it is 202 nanometer. Base value for unsaturated ketone, it will be 207 nanometer. Increments for each double bond extending the conjugation 30 nanometer. Here it is slightly different in the comparison of conjugated time systems. Here each alkyl group or ring residue, when it is on alpha position having increment higher, it is 10 nanometer, beta 12 nanometer, gamma and higher 18 nanometer. Oxochromes hydroxy, alpha 35 nanometer, beta 30 nanometer, delta plus 50 nanometer. OSI, alpha, beta, delta 6 nanometer. O-methyl, methoxy, alpha, beta, alpha having 35, beta 30, gamma 17, delta 31 nanometer. S-alkyl group 85 nanometer. Halogen chloride, alpha on alpha position 15, beta position 12 nanometer. Bromide, alpha position 25, beta 30. Nr2, beta 95 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond 5 nanometer, homodiene component having 39 nanometer. See the example. This is the system alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Base value, this is acyclic to 15 nanometer, 2 beta alkyl substituent 2 multiply 12, 24 nanometer. So total lambda mass value will be 239 nanometer. Another example, base value it will remain the same. It is a 6-membered alpha beta unsaturated ketone, 215 nanometer, 2 beta alkyl substituents. One is this and just a minute. One is this and second is this. So 2 beta alkyl substituent 24 nanometer. So total lambda mass value will be 239 nanometer. In example 3, base value 215 nanometer, beta alkyl substituent. See here, this is the beta. So it is 12, delta 18. This is the double bond exocyclic to this ring. So it is 5 nanometer, extended conjugated double bond. It is plus 30 nanometer. So total calculated value will be 280 nanometer. In this example, it is very good example. Base value 215, alpha means this 10 nanometer, beta this 12 nanometer, gamma it is 18 nanometer, delta it is 18 nanometer, right? Here it is extended conjugated exocyclic double bond also. See here, this double bond is exocyclic for this, so this and for this both. So 2 and this double bond is exocyclic for this. So total 3 exocyclic double bond. And here these double bonds are in one ring system. So we have to add homoannular diene system 39 nanometer. So total value will be 357 nanometer. One more example. Here, in this example, base value to 15 nanometer, hydroxy group on alpha position. See here, hydroxy alpha position plus 35 nanometer. Beta alkyl group. Beta alkyl group means one this and second is. So 12 multiplied with 224 nanometer. So total lambda max value will be 274 nanometer. Here, if suppose in example it is given like that, this lambda max is taken in some solvent. Suppose it is given water solvent. So we have to do solvent correction also. So here solvent correction values I had not mentioned in this otherwise you can note down. For solvent correction, ethanol, methanol having 0, water having -8, means if suppose it is given, okay, this is taken in water, then you have to the total lambda max value, suppose 214, you have to -8 for water solvent correction. So 214 -8, so it will become around 206. Similarly, other water, suppose if it is given chloroform +1, then dioxane +6, diazole +5, ether +7, then hexane, cyclohexane +11. So this type of solvent correction we have to do in the numerical. Terminal questions, define following terms. This is for your assignment. You have to do this assignment, lambda max calculation. That's all. Thank you very much for listening to me.